Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube in 1 minute. The timer is set and this is my stronghold cube. 3, 2, 1, start. So I solved this cube in under 1 minute. So if you want to know how I solved the cube, stay tuned. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!